Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this flounce sleeve. So over here I've got my pattern paper and I am going to mark two lines that cross each other. Now on the center line I am going to mark 1.5 inch on all four lines. Now from the left point I am also going to mark 3 inches. Then I'm going to connect 3 points at first. Then on the third point, I am going to extend it to the 3-inch mark. Then from there, you want to mark 3 inches. Again, this depends on how wide you want your floor sleeve to be. Now, once we are done creating this pattern, you want to go ahead and transfer it onto your fabric. So over here, I've got my lining fabric and I have already folded it into half. As you can see, there are 2 layers. So I'm going to place my pattern or pin it onto the fabric and then go ahead and cut out the pattern. Once I am done cutting out my pattern, I want to go ahead and take it into a sewing machine and sew a straight stitch right on the edge. Now this is how it will look. The next thing is to turn it to the right side, and please don't forget to press iron your work. Now I'm going to go ahead now and create some gathers onto this floss. So this is how it will look. The next thing for us is to attach it onto our sleeve. Over here I've got my sleeve and I am going to find the center point. So what I did is I've marked a center point onto my sleeve where I want the flower to be. And then you're just going to place the pointed part of your floss. I'm just going to remove all the hanging threads. And then you're just going to rotate the gathers around that point. Now I'm going to take this into the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch right on top of the gathers. And then guys, I will show you how it looks once it's complete. So guys, I went ahead and I sewed it. This is how it looks on the inside. And when you're done, the next thing is to sew the side. So guys, this is how our sleeves turned out. I hope you will enjoy making this project as much as I did. As for me guys, see you on the next one.